Okay, good morning students. Today, trigonometric identities. There are around 12 trigonometric identities are there. Uh, the first one, cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here plus is there, but here minus. The first identity I will prove by geometrical method. This proof I will give later. The remaining 11 identities I will give proof by using this one only. By using this one identity, we can derive the remaining 11 identities. Okay. What is the second one? Second identity I will prove. With proof I will give the second identity. Prove that this is cos x plus y, no? Cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y plus sin x sin y. Here instead of minus, here we have plus. Okay. So how to prove this? Proof of this. We know that. That means by using this I am going to prove this. We know that cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now put y equal to minus y. Put y equal to minus y. So here what will happen now? Cos x plus, instead of y minus y. So it become minus y. For x don't replace anything. Only for y you replace by minus y. So x is same, cos x only. Cos y become minus y. Minus sin x into, here also sin y become minus y. You know already I proved cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. The previous class we discussed sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. You can turn your pages. In the previous class I showed cos of minus theta plus cos theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So what happened here? Cos x, cos of minus y is just cos y minus sin x into sin of minus y is minus sin y. Now this become cos x cos y, this minus into minus plus sin x sin y. So we proved cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. I gave proof of second one by using the first one. Okay. Now the first one what I gave, that without proof I gave, that is cos x plus y equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Second one with proof I proved this. First one I didn't prove. Second one cos x minus y equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Okay. Next third one. Third one is I'll give like proof. Prove that sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. The solution. Okay sir, for sin we don't have any formula sir. I know only cos and cos x plus y, cos x minus y. So how to change the sin to cos? For that in the previous class we know cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, and the sin 90 minus theta cos theta. This complete proof I am going to use these two only. Pi by 2 minus theta I gave all list. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So sin theta I can write cos 90 minus theta. So I am writing cos, actually instead of sin x plus y equal to, I am writing sin theta as cos 90 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. This I can write cos pi by 2 minus x. This minus x I am adding here. Then minus y. Now this is in the form of the second formula type, cos x minus y. This whole thing like x, this is like y. You know, cos x minus y means cos x cos y sin x sin y. So this is x, this is y. So cos x, x means pi by 2 minus x into cos y plus sin x, sin pi by 2 minus x into sin y. Okay. You know, cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So this becomes sin x cos y plus sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So this becomes cos x sin y. So finally we got the formula sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. So I proved the third result. This is the third result. For this result we are using only these two formulas. This already I gave this list, 90 minus theta I gave. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sin 90 minus theta cos theta. First I took sin x plus y. I wrote it as cos 90 minus theta. Then 90 minus x I collect here, minus that y separate. Now I am using this cos x minus y formula. It is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Again cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Again sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. We got the result. Okay, this is the third result. Only first one I didn't give proof. Second I proved by using first. Third I proved by using second and these two formulas. Okay. So finally we proved third one. Third one is sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. Next fourth one. Prove that sin x minus y equal to, instead of plus you will get minus, like sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay. How to prove this? By using 3 I can prove the 4. First you take the 3. We know that means already we know the proof of that. I have taken sin x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Put y equal to minus y. Put y equal to minus y. Wherever y is there, you replace minus y. So what will happen? Sin of x minus y equal to sin x into cos of minus y plus cos x into sin of minus y. So now this is sin x into cos of minus y is cos y plus cos x into sin of minus y minus sin y. So this becomes sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This is the fourth result. Just see that. I know sin x plus y formula. I want sin x minus y. First we know sin x plus y. I copied this. In the place of y, I replace minus y. So here minus y, here this y become minus y, this y become minus y. You know cos of minus y, cos y, sin of minus y, minus sin y. So this minus will come out, we got the result. So these are the 4 standard results in trigonometry. The fourth result is now what we proved, sin x minus y equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay. Fifth one, I will prove first, then I will copy here. Fifth formula, prove that tan x plus y equal to, okay, we will see in the next video. So these 4 now we know. Okay.